Hey guys, welcome back to another Zach YouTube video where we get a bit zany. You know, the Zach zany stuff or whatever. So today we're going to be doing a DIY desktop PC service cleanup. DIY, if you don't know, is do it yourself. Yourself, not your mom or whatever. Anyways, as you can see, this computer, it's a bit dirty. So what we're going to do today, guys, is clean up from the outside, and then we're going to open the cover. It's imperative that you clean up the outside of it, because, guys, listen up. I'll tell you guys why it's so important to do this. If you guys subscribe, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe again. If it's the subscribe button still red, you're gonna have lots of lint and dirt inside of your PC, your gaming PC. You can't play Minecraft anymore. Okay, guys? So anyways, we're about to get started on this epic Zach zany tutorial on how to DIY PC, clean your PC. And remember, guys, you gotta like, subscribe, and comment, share the video if you want all of your friends to be Zach zany. So first we're going to be using 80 compressed PSI air through a basketball filler nozzle. And basically what this does is this can help clean the computer out. And what this does, guys, is this is the zany Zach way.
If you guys have seen our most recent hummingbird video, this is very similar to our use of the water pick. Except this time we're using our basketball filler nozzle.
And guys, don't forget, this is still just as Zach zany as before. So remember, guys, if you gotta be as Zach zany as all of us here at Zach, you gotta like, subscribe, comment, share the video. The more people you share it to, the more your mother will love you. Anyways, guys. Let's get back to the video. So, as you can see, we're using that 80 PSI compressed air, just like a water pick. Now, guys, don't forget, don't use a water pick, because as you guys know, as us Zach zany gamers are, we know that water damages computer parts due to oxygen, water hurts computers or something. And guys, don't forget, if you don't want water on your computer, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this YouTube video. Share not only this YouTube video, but also our more popular videos like the hummingbird one.
And the Tesla video.
Yeah, the Tesla one. Make sure to dox that guy who did the Tesla.
Or else we will water pick water.
Us Zach zany gamers, we're gonna be share the video. And remember, guys, as I said before, you gotta like, share, subscribe, comment, everything on all of our videos in order for... Okay, now we're gonna be putting this stuff back together. Cause like it's clean. And make sure to comment, subscribe, like, share the video if you want your computer to be clean. Cause remember, guys, computers can only be clean down here in Zach Zanyville. Anyways, guys, our computer's now clean. And I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but I really want you guys to like, share, comment, subscribe. I don't really say it much, you know, but I really appreciate it. It really helps our, the Zach zany gamers to find their way through this tough world. And remember, guys, if you guys make sure to comment, subscribe, like, share the video with all of your family and friends. And as you can see, it's amazing how this PC was even working. Just like liking, subscribing, and sharing the Zach zany video.
It's amazing how
Okay, guys, so we're back with the Zag Zany train, and check this out. Look at all that dust over there, right, guys? And don't forget, thanks for watching. And if you want to be dust, then don't share this video. But if you don't want to be dust, make sure to comment, subscribe, like, share the video with your family and friends. Because remember, your family's gonna love you way more when you show them Zach, and Zach's cool and stuff. Okay, but guys, bye.